Hello guys, welcome back. In this module, I am going to be showing you how to get your domain name. You might want to ask, what is a domain? Once you see this thing here, www dot maybe facebook.com, this is a domain name. Yes, this is a domain name. www.google.com, www.timothy.com, www.arinze.com, jamesmith.com. That is a domain name. A domain name is basically like your it's like your house on the internet, right? It's like your house on the internet. While hosting is like, or let me say, a domain name is like an address to your place. If we are to put it in a more layman's definition, or in a way that you'll be able to understand, especially as a beginner, is I want to see it like a very big compound that is fenced. A very big compound that is fenced. This compound is fenced, the compound is very big, and it has about maybe 20 buildings in it or more. Each of those buildings inside that compound is a domain name, while the compound itself is the hosting platform. Is a hosting platform that houses that domain name. So as your compound houses your own apartment, your own house, that is how the hosting platform houses a domain name. So once you get this www.facebook.com, if it's not hosted yet, if you type it and click enter, it is not going to show anywhere. It's going to give you an error message. So in this module, I'm going to show you how to get a domain name, your own domain name. There are some sites that gives you free domain name. Why you have to pay for you to be able to get that free domain name? They'll give you the free domain name, but you have to pay for the hosting of the site, for the hosting of the domain through their site. Are you getting the drift? You have to get the domain name free from them, but you have to pay for the hosting through their own site. But this is platform about, you can get domain name from anywhere. You can also host it from, different sites. You have GoDaddy, you have Namecheap, you have Whogohost, you have HostGator. You have different names, different hosting platform, different domain names, platforms, and all that. GoDaddy, you have Namecheap. Yes, you have GoDaddy, you have Namecheap, you have Whogohost, you have there's this other one. I've forgotten the name. There are quite a number of them, but the one that I recommend, the one I use, is RelaHost.com. It's quite affordable, very, very affordable. That's what I use. That is what I use in creating this my own funnel. www.timothyworldsystem.com. So that is what I use in building this funnel of mine. It enables you to have a website. This is my domain for life. As long as I own it, I keep it's mine. That is what I also use in building this one. affiliate sources.timothy.com. Yeah. Okay, that is what I also use in building this. Discover step-by-step secret to cashing out in affiliate marketing in 7 days, even if you are amateur or a beginner. That is what I use in creating this this opt-in page, this landing page, squeeze page rather. Right. So it is amazing when you have your own domain name. So right about now, we're going to go straight into how you can get your domain name. It's quite simple. Just go to www.relahosts.com. Now, you see here, you see domains, hosting, SSL certificates, transfer to us, client area, and the rest of them. Now it's saying secure and purchase your perfect domain. It starts with a great domain. Now order now, starting at 1,000 naira per year. Amazing, amazing. So this is where you get to choose any domain that you like. Personally, I choose .com. I love .com. See, .com is 4,400 naira for 1 year. I mean for life. Once you buy it, you've gotten it. 4,300 naira. Okay, no, it's not for life. It's for 1 year. 4,300 naira. See it here. So you can choose your name. You can choose James Maduako. JamesMaduako.com. Right. So once you choose it, you have to search first of all to see if it's available. So you click on the search bar and see if it's available for buying. So it brings you, it redirects you to this page and it tells you, yes, congratulations, JamesMaduako.com is available. Register is now, I think there's a mistake here now. Register now before someone else does, right? So once you do that, you click on add to cart, 4,300 naira. That's just about the cheapest one. They're also telling you other ones that's available. See it. You have JamesMaduako.de. That one is 3,061 naira point 62 kobo for 1 year. This one is JamesMaduako.cn. See the amount. JamesMaduako.net. See the amount. JamesMaduako.nl. See the amount. JamesMaduako.uk. See the amount here. So you have a whole list of ones you can choose from. That's about that. So once you're cool with this .com, you go here and click on add to cart. So once you click on add to cart, now it's the next thing you're going to do is to be able to host it. That's just that. You need to be able to host it. You've gotten the domain name, but your domain name is useless if you don't host it. So they're going to ask you, which packages do you want? We have packages designed to fit everybody. So you click here and you wait for it. So this is the basic one. This is cheap, very cheap. 300 naira per month. If you're a beginner just getting started, you can get this one, 300 naira per month. You can decide to pay for 6 months, or you can decide to pay for 1 year. If you pay for 1 year, they will give you a discount of 2 months. So instead of you paying 3,600 naira, you get to pay 3,000 naira for 1 year. And you have 1 gig disk space, you have 5 gig bandwidth, you have unlimited subdomain and email, and free Ssl certificate. So what you just do is you click on see what I was sharing with you guys. Okay, they have different packages anyway. They have 480 per month, 600 naira per month, 950 per month, 18 per month, 55 per month, 75 per month, 95 per month, 10.5 per month, 12.5 or 12,500 naira per month, 20,500 naira per month, and that is the least, that's the maximum of the offer. So if you want to go here, you just click on order now. Now it's asking you, do you want to use the domain that is already in your shopping cart? Remember, we put a domain in our shopping cart. Do you want to use that one, or you want to use a different domain? Yes, we want to use the one in our shopping cart because we just created it. You click on use. So when you click on use, it brings you to this page where it's telling you what you're buying. It comes with 1 gig disk space, 5 gig bandwidth, unlimited subdomain and email. The beautiful thing is that this free Ssl certificate, this is what it means. Most times Google will not open a site that has this, just HTTP without the S. This S here shows that this site is secured. It's difficult for any hacker to hack this site, and it's difficult for a scammer to be able to scam you using a site like this, because this is secure. This S here makes it secure. Once your site does not have Ssl certificate, Google will not open it. It's going to give it an error message. Google won't open that site on any of their platform, and it simply means that your website is porous. It can easily be hacked by hackers. So that's why it's a good thing. This platform is absolutely beautiful. Some other hosting platform, once you buy your domain name and you host it with them, you still need to go and buy this Ssl certificate. You need it to be able to protect your site and be able to get your stuff done. But they're going to be giving it to you for free. So how do you want to pay? How do you want to choose it? Do you want to pay quarterly, like 3 months, or do you want to pay semi-annually, which is like semi-annually, that's like twice in a year? So the first 6 months you pay 1.8, the next 6 months you pay 1.8, that's making it 36. Or you are paying for the whole year. And mind you, if you pay for this whole year, I think they're going to give you that domain name for free. I think so. Yeah, I think so. They might give you the domain name for free, or they might give you another domain, not this particular one, maybe another domain that has another extension. Right? So depending on the money in your hands, if you want to pay only for this 1 month, but I always advise to go for 1 year. So if you go for 1 year, then you scroll down. This code guard website, this is just to be able to back up your website in case your site crashes or something happens. All the data that you use in creating that site, or the data you have there, you will be able to safeguard it if you're using this code guard website backup. And so you basically are done here. So the currency you want to pay with is Naira. Make sure it's in Naira. So you click on continue. So when you click on continue, you check this. They're telling you that for this site you're trying to purchase now, these are what is available. They can give you DNS management, ID protection. This one you have to pay for it. If you don't have the money, you leave it for now. You take this one because it's free. you tick this one because it's free, email forwarding. But this one, earn free, it's 1.6 per year. So you click on it's already telling you that this domain name has a hosting. Okay, so you click on continue. You're following the steps after the order. Okay, now they really didn't give you that domain name for free. Okay, so this is just about it. This is for the hosting, the 3,000 naira for the hosting for 1 year. This is the domain name, the jamesmadako.com, which is 4,300 naira. If you add it, it gives you 7,300 naira. Right? Now, when you've gotten to this point, if for example you have promo code that someone gave to you, you can use the promo code. It might make your make the money you're going to pay to be quite small. As soon as you're done here, you click on checkout. It will automatically take you to a place where you have to fill your details. Put your first name, your last name, your email address, your phone number. This email address, make sure you put an active, workable one now that you're using currently, because they're going to send you your whole details that you'll be needing here. So make sure it's active. Make sure this phone number is an active one. Then put your company name. It's basically optional. Put your street address to city, the state, the postcode, Nigeria. How did you find us? Was it through email or blah blah blah? Just fill this whole thing. Fill the whole thing, and once you are done, you're going to say, is it bank deposits or online payments? Choose online payments. That's better for you. You choose online payments, and you click I have read and agreed to the terms of condition. I am not a robot. I'm a real human being. I am not a robot. And once you click on that, you click on complete order. The moment you click on complete order, it brings out a portion where you have to put in your bank details. It brings out an option where you have to put in your bank details. Once you put in your bank details, it automatically sends you a mail to your mailbox for you to verify. And once you verify, it gives you your login, your access, and everything for you to be able to log in. Right? That is how you can buy domain name and register it. It's one of the cheapest platform, cheapest, reliable, effective, efficient platform on the internet, arelahost.com. So I'll see you in the next video, guys.